Exploring healthy Chinese cuisine, a traveler's guide to eating well in China. Exploring the nutritional benefits of traditional Chinese cuisine reveals a diet rich in vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. This balanced approach supports overall health, emphasizing food's natural flavors and nutritional value without excessive fats or sugars. The secret to longevity may well lie in the Chinese diet, which focuses on fresh, seasonal ingredients and a variety of textures and flavors. This way of eating encourages moderation and balance, key components of a healthy lifestyle. Fresh vegetables play a crucial role in Chinese cooking, offering vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They are often stir-fried or steamed to retain their nutritional content and natural crunch, making them both delicious and beneficial for health. Tofu, a staple in Chinese cuisine, stands out as a protein powerhouse. Versatile and rich in essential amino acids, it's a perfect example of how traditional Chinese dishes incorporate plant-based proteins for a balanced diet. The truth about MSG is often shrouded in myth, but scientific evidence suggests it's safe in moderation. This seasoning enhances umami, a savory taste that's a hallmark of Chinese cooking, without the health risks once feared. Steamed dishes are a cornerstone of Chinese cuisine, offering a healthier alternative to frying. This method preserves nutrients and reduces the need for added fats, promoting heart health without sacrificing flavor. The ancient wisdom of Chinese herbal teas speaks volumes about the culture's approach to health. From soothing sore throats to boosting immunity, these teas blend taste and healing in every sip, reflecting a holistic approach to well-being. Dim sum, a treasure trove of taste, offers more than just delightful bites. By choosing steamed over fried options like shrimp dumplings or vegetable buns, one can indulge in the rich flavors while maintaining a health-conscious diet. The concept of yin and yang in Chinese food goes beyond mere taste, emphasizing nutritional balance. This philosophy encourages a diet that harmonizes the body, integrating both cooling and warming foods for optimal health. Rural Chinese diets, rich in whole grains and legumes, showcase the power of simplicity. These staple foods provide a solid foundation of fiber, protein, and essential nutrients, supporting longevity and wellness in the most natural way. Bamboo shoots and mushrooms are not just exotic ingredients in Chinese cuisine, they're nutritional powerhouses. Packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, these superfoods offer unique health benefits, from boosting immunity to promoting heart health. Sichuan peppercorns are more than just a spice that adds a kick to dishes. Their health benefits are impressive, including anti-inflammatory properties and the ability to boost metabolism. Incorporating these into meals can spice up health in numerous ways. The significance of seafood in coastal Chinese cuisine extends beyond flavor. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and lean protein, seafood is a staple that supports heart and brain health, making coastal dishes both delicious and nutritious. Navigating Chinese menus for health-conscious travelers can seem daunting. However, it's about choosing dishes that emphasize vegetables and lean proteins, avoiding deep-fried options, and enjoying the rich flavors of traditional Chinese cooking without compromising health. Peking duck, often viewed as indulgent, can be enjoyed healthily. Opting for skinless slices and pairing with steamed pancakes and fresh vegetables can turn this dish into a balanced meal, showcasing that indulgence and health can go hand in hand. Hot pot, a communal dining experience, offers a fun and nutritious way to enjoy Chinese food. Diners can select from a variety of fresh ingredients, including lean meats, seafood, and an array of vegetables, ensuring a balanced and healthful meal. The cooking process preserves the nutritional integrity of these ingredients, making hot pot a preferred choice for those looking for both flavor and health benefits. Understanding the nutritional composition of Chinese sauces can significantly enhance the healthiness of a meal. Many sauces are rich in umami flavor, but can be high in sodium. Opting for lighter, less processed sauces or using them sparingly can maintain the essence of Chinese cuisine without compromising on health, allowing diners to enjoy the depth of flavor without excess salt intake. Chinese soups, often a staple at mealtimes, are not only comforting, but also packed with health benefits. Ingredients like goji berries, lotus seeds, and various herbs add a nutritional punch, while the broth-based preparation offers hydration and helps in digestion. These soups exemplify the Chinese culinary tradition of blending taste and health. Street food in China presents an authentic taste of local cuisine, but health-conscious travelers might be wary. However, many options such as steamed buns, grilled seafood, and vegetable skewers offer delicious and nutritious choices. Being selective and opting for items cooked to order can ensure a healthier street food experience. Green tea, deeply ingrained in Chinese culture, is celebrated for its antioxidant properties. Regular consumption can aid in weight management, improve brain function, and reduce the risk of heart disease. This beverage exemplifies the Chinese approach to health, emphasizing prevention and the natural enhancement of well-being through diet. Navigating dairy in Chinese cuisine reveals a sparing use, mainly seen in certain regional dishes and desserts. This minimalistic approach aligns with a lactose-sensitive population, ensuring dishes remain light and digestible. The art of fermentation transforms simple ingredients into nutritional powerhouses. Chinese cooking utilizes this technique to enhance flavors and introduce probiotics into the diet, promoting gut health and immunity with every savory bite. The inclusion of seasonal fruits in Chinese meals not only adds a refreshing twist, but also maximizes nutritional benefits. This practice ensures that dishes are enriched with natural sweetness and vitamins, catering to both health and taste. Chinese salads present a fresh, nutritious option with their emphasis on raw vegetables and light dressings. These dishes offer a crunchy, hydrating bite, perfect for balancing heavier, richer components of the meal. Portion control is crucial in enjoying Chinese cuisine healthily. It allows one to indulge in a variety of dishes without overeating, encouraging a balanced approach to dining that is both satisfying and beneficial to long-term health. The health benefits of Chinese rice and noodle dishes extend beyond their delicious taste. These staples, when chosen wisely, offer complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, fiber for digestion, and a canvas for nutrient-rich vegetables and lean proteins. Navigating Chinese banquets without falling into high-calorie traps requires a strategic approach. Selecting steamed over fried options, filling half your plate with vegetables, and savoring each bite can help you enjoy the feast without overindulging. The cultural significance of fish in China goes beyond mere cuisine. It symbolizes prosperity and health. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and lean protein, fish is a cornerstone of Chinese dietary wisdom, blending tradition with nutritional science. Choosing healthy options at a Chinese buffet involves a discerning eye for balance. Starting with a broth-based soup can curb hunger, allowing you to make mindful choices like steamed vegetables, lean proteins, and avoiding overly saucy dishes. Integrating Chinese dietary principles while traveling offers a balanced approach to eating. Emphasizing fresh, seasonal ingredients, moderate portions, and a variety of flavors not only enriches the travel experience, but also supports overall health and well-being.